welcome. Find a comfortable seat, either on the floor or in a chair. Allow your body to relax as you settle in. Gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable to you. Take this next moment to arrive fully in your body, feeling the sensations of contact wherever your body meets support. I'll guide us through a body scan for relaxation. Bringing awareness to tension we hold allows us to invite softening. Know that my words are simply invitations. Listen to what your body asks for. Bring your awareness to your feet and toes. Sense into them. Do they feel tense or relaxed? See if you can soften any holding, inviting your feet to feel heavy. Shift your awareness up to your ankles, then your shins and calves. How do they feel? Send them any warmth or softness needed. Move up into your knees. Our knees often take on tension from sitting or moving through life. Can your knees release and soften now? Come into your thighs and hips. We hold a lot of tension here. If you notice any gripping, can you gently invite some softness? When you're ready, bring attention into your low back body. Does your low back feel tense? See if you can allow space between each vertebrae, easing any compression. Shift into your mid and upper back. Finding length through the side body, perhaps move your shoulders away from your ears if they've crept up. Land awareness in your chest. Our chest and heart space can easily tighten when stressed. Take a breath here and soften through your heart center. Tune into your fingers and hands. Allow them to release into relaxation. Move up to your wrists, letting them be heavy. Come into your forearms, your elbows, sensing into your upper arms. Invite ease. Should we hold tension in our shoulders without realizing? Perhaps move them gently down your back, relaxing. Land finally in your neck and throat. This area loves to grip when we're stressed. As you breathe here, guide your throat to relax. Scan your whole body now. Notice anywhere still asking for release. As you breathe deeply next, envision your whole body softening. I invite you to relax even more deeply now. Sensing the support underneath, allow your body to settle into rest. Release any effort in your face and jaw. Continue breathing deeply. With each exhale, feel your body sink and relax further. Enjoy these next moments to simply rest. You deserve this peace. As we close our practice, start to deepen your breath. Gently stretch out if your body calls for movement. When you feel ready, allow your eyes to blink open. Carry this sense of ease with you as you transition onward. Thank you for joining me today. I wish you deep rest and relaxation ahead. Until next time, be well and stay mindful.